Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we will learn about different nouns, articles and determiners. Like that's a we can also define a noun that it's a representation of one thing or a person. Like a thing is a name of city also, that's like a Lahore, that's a laptop, it is a thing which these are all example of different nouns, but we are here using different like a. It's a use of a. We will talk about the use of a, like Rachel works in a bank. Can I ask a question? There is a woman at the bus stop. I haven't got a computer. So this is the use of an. We always use an in front of before different vowels. A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. These are all vowels. Whenever, like, do you want an apple? Where's there an umbrella? You know that orange, it is a word started with the vowel. O is a vowel, like umbrella. This is a word and it is being used by U. U is a vowel. So whenever we wanna say that that's a single thing, and that thing, the name of that thing is being used with the different vowels, we will not use with them a, we will use them an. Like it's a orange. Orange is used with O, it is a vowel. So if we want to represent orange as a single, then we will definitely use an, not a. We can't say that do you want a apple, do you want a orange. No, we will say do you want an apple, do you want an orange, do you want an umbrella. Where's there an umbrella? That's an interesting question. This interesting, this is a word which starts with vowel. I is vowel. I is vowel. So we will definitely use an, not will use a. This is an unusual animal. This word is unusual and it is used with a vowel. U is a vowel. So we will use an, not a. Like these are example. That's a university. Two word, it's a university and European. This is exemption from this rule, but other than university and European, we will definitely use an instead of a. This is a form of singular and plurals, like a flower, some flowers, a train, two trains, 1 week, a few weeks. This student, these students, a nice place, some nice places. These are example of different singular and plural form. This is nouns. Some things are collective plural in English, like glasses, scissors, jeans, shorts, tights, pajamas. These all things are these are called collective plural, because you can see in glasses that there are two glasses. You can also see in jeans or trouser there are two parts. In belt you can also see in shorts that have two parts, tights have two parts, pajamas have two parts. So collectively they are plural. These cannot be divided into different parts, but collectively these are called collective plural. So this slides represent different irregular plural form, like one man, two men, a child, many children, 1 foot, 1 foot, 2 feet, this sheep, these sheep, a fish, some fish. You cannot say that a fish, fishes, sheep, sheeps. No, this rule will not exist in that type of laws, that type of words. So this sheep means these sheep, a fish, some fish, a mouse, two mice, a person, two people, one criterion, two criteria. These are determinants are used to make uncountable nouns countable. The definition of determinants, it is used to make uncountable noun countable, like rice, it is uncountable, coffee we cannot count, time we cannot count, flat, much space we cannot count. So we will use different determinants, like please give me 2 kg of rice. Now the 2 kg, use of 2 kg of, it is a determiner. I would like some coffee, some is a determiner. There is not a much space in my my flat, much, it's a determiner. I only have a little time, a little, that is determiner. Determiners now here are using to locate their counts, to convert uncountable nouns into countable. So this slide represent the use of some and any. I have some apples. If we talk about its negative, I don't have any apples. And if we talk about question, do you have any apple? So, but offer, would you like some coffee? These are example of, this is example of offer. Expectation, have you got some news? No limit, you can do any exercise you want to. This is a no limit, you can do anything, it's depend on your choice. So thank you students, and inshallah next lecture we will talk about other things which are very important for your course, and that are the higher states of different tenses. Okay, thank you.